everyone, it's Valen and welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So for today's video, I wanted to thank Troy from Propeller for sending me some packing cubes, compression packing cubes. So if you guys don't know what this is, basically whenever I travel I always use these to pack. So basically you put all of your clothes, which can be like socks, anything that you want, you can put it in these cubes and it compresses it so it takes up less space in your suitcase, so you are able to pack more basically. So these packing cubes are also really easy to unpack because basically all you have to do is just take out the packing cube and put it away, and then from there you are able to like pull out all the shirts, shorts, whatever it is that you put in there. So yeah, so if you guys want to see these packing cubes and see how I use them, then keep on watching this video. Okay you guys, so now let's open up the box and see what's inside. So when you remove the sleeve, this is how the box looks like. It just has the little logo. So yeah, so now let's open it up and see what it's inside. Dun, 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 dun. This is how it comes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Basically, when you open up the box, this is the first thing that you see. This is a giant packing cube with an elephant. And if you guys don't know, my favorite animal is an elephant. And I just love elephants. I think they're adorable. So yeah, so this is like the first thing that you see when you open it up. So let's see what's inside. So after you open up the big packing cubes, it comes with a couple of other smaller ones inside. So each packing cube basically has like a different animal on the front. So I really like this because that way you can organize yourself so you know like what to put in each cube. So as you can see here, this is a lion, and then this is a cheetah, and then like I said before, the bigger one was an elephant. So I really like this because then you are able to organize yourself. So maybe in this one you put your shirts and this one you put your pants, so that way you know what is in which one. So one thing that's really cool is that when you open up the box, it comes with this little paper right here, and it gives you all kinds of tips and tricks to use if you've never used packing cubes before, or if you don't know how to use them. This really helps you. It gives you some instructions. So some of the tricks that they tell you are, first, to make a list of all of the items that you want to pack, and then after you make the list, lay everything out on your bed, and then from there start putting it one by one into the packing cube. So if it is closed, one thing that it says is that you should roll it up because that saves a lot of space. So personally, I don't roll my clothes, but now I'm just gonna show you guys how I use packing cubes personally so you guys can get some tips and tricks. So as you guys can see, the zipper opens up really nice and smooth, which is super good. So after you open the main zipper, you use the second zipper, which is the compression zipper, and you start to open that, which is what makes the packing cube expand. So you're able to fit some more stuff. So this is how the packing cube looks like once all the zippers are open. As you can see, it fits up a lot. So yeah. So now to give you guys an example, I have this really big and fluffy jacket, which I'm going to put into the small packing cube so you guys just get an idea of how much it can fit. So as you guys can tell, it is very big and bulky. So let's see how it fits into the small packing cube. Okay you guys, so I just put the jacket inside, so as you guys can see, it is very big and it like barely fits, but I'm gonna show you guys how not to make this happen. So yeah. So the first thing that you want to do is to close the main zipper compartment. So now that it is closed, you guys can see it is very big and bulky, and I know it takes up a lot of space, but now this is where the trick comes in. So now what you're gonna want to do is start to close the compression zipper, which is gonna compress everything inside to make it smaller. So there we go you guys, I just closed the compression zipper and look how much thinner it is, and as you guys can see, it definitely did its job and it definitely just pressed everything in together. So now for your suitcase, you just throw this in there, and then now a jacket that used to be this big is now actually this big. So yeah, that's why I love using these when I pack. I love to travel with just my carry-on bag, so I always use these whenever I travel because as you guys can see, you can fit so much in so little, and you can use so many of these to fit into your carry-on. It doesn't matter, there's no limit. So yeah, I just love having like 50 million of these, so I always use them whenever I travel. They just make life so much easier, not only for packing, but for unpacking and just for everything. So yeah. So that is the end for this video. A huge thank you again to Troy from Propeller for having sent me these packing cubes. I'm obsessed. So hopefully you guys can see how helpful these packing cubes are and how handy they are with the design, with the zippers, just with everything. They are amazing. So if you guys are interested in buying them, then there is a link down below in the description box. So please make sure to go check it out and get some if you guys are interested. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you guys aren't already, and click that little bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. So hopefully you guys learned some tips and tricks. Thank you guys again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!